Here's a tale of a man, an American, with a bottle of silver in his hand, Big John. He's working the land, growing all that he can. He's a cowboy vegetarian, Big John. Big Bad John. Big John got the brig when he set free all the neighbor pigs. He smuggled a swig and began to dig. Big John, Big Bad John, Big John, Big John headed south for the agave crop with a cork in his mouth. Big John, and the men would come from miles around, but none could steal his drinking crown. Big John, Big Bad John. They call him Patron by the lamplight. He rolls his own at home with the smoke, skull and bones. Big John, Big man, Big John. Big John left his gun with his copper bullets on the run. Big John, Big Bad John. And a legend told by everyone, he rode into the setting sun. Big John, Big Bad John, Big Bad John. The fame that he gained from tequila that shares his name, a hole in his soul burns a flame. Big John, Big
Absolute beginners came to Georgetown. They were wearing Harris tweed and pork pie hats. They'd slit your throat and throw you in the gutter, but it's all you can expect from men like that. The bus is bound for Niles Bend Harbor. The ladies wear perfume to scar your nose, and the only way to reach them is to scare them. But of that you know little, I suppose. It's a magical and mystical performance as you perambulate right